Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry World. Today we will discuss acid rain. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Chemistry World. Today we will discuss acid rain, a broad topic. First of all, we will define it. How we will define the acid rain? Acid rain is a type of rain that has a pH level of less than 5.6. It means that it has its pH that is in ranging the acidic pH. It is caused by the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere, which react with the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. And these acids can cause the reduce in the pH of the rain and cause the acid rain. So this is the definition of acid rain. First of all, it's formation of oxide and that leads to the formation of acid. These acids then fall to the ground in raindrops, causing the rain to be more acidic than normal. So the rain after this formation of acid is more acidic than that of the normal water. Normal water has 7 pH. So next we will discuss the causes of acid rain, which sources can cause the acid rain. The main causes of acid rain is the emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere. These emissions come from a variety of sources including, so here we can discuss the some common sources that can cause emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides that leads to the acid rain. First one is the fossil fuel combustion. The burning of coal, oil and natural gas for energy production release large amount of sulfur. These nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides can cause acid rain. Next one is the cause of acid rain, industrial processes. How industrial processes can cause acid rain. Manufacturing processes such as those used in the production of iron, steel and cement will also release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere. So it can also cause the acid rain. Those factors are sources that can cause production of oxides can cause acid rain. Next one is the transportation. How transportation can cause acid rain. Automobiles and other vehicles are a significant source of nitrogen oxide emission and also cause acid rain formation. So next we will discuss the another cause of the acid rain, that is agriculture. The use of nitrogen based fertilizer in agriculture can also contribute to the formation of acid rain. So in all these sources we can discuss that the formation of oxides leads to the formation of acids that can cause the reduce in pH and can cause the acid rain. These are all the main causes of acid rain. So next we will discuss that how the mechanism of acid rain, how the acid rain formation take place. So this is the mechanism of acid rain. So first of all, we will see that stepwise how the formation of oxides, then further formation of acids, and then further formation of acetate take place. The mechanism of acid formation involve a series of chemical reaction in the atmosphere. First one is the emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. So in the first step, emission of oxides take place, especially sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides by the some common causes or sources that can be discussed in the part causes of acid rain portion. That's are burning fossil fuel, industrial processes and transportation. So in the first step, emission of sulfur dioxide take place. In the second step, formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid from these oxides take place in this process. In this step, sulfuric acid and nitric acid are formed by the combination of oxide. Then we discuss the third step, that is the transportation. After the formation of acid, these acidic compounds can be transported by winds over long distances and deposit in the precipitation, such as in the form of rain, snow or fog. So first they are formed, then they are deposit in the form of rain, snow or fog. Then acidification of precipitation take place. The sulfuric acid and nitric acid in the precipitation cause the pH of the precipitation to become more acidic, that resulting in the acid rain that having their pH that is less than that of the 7, less than that of the normal pH of the pure water. So Next is the impact on the environment. The last step of mechanism is the impact on the environment, how it is impact humans or environment, including soil and water pollution, damage to vegetation and wildlife, and corrosion of buildings and infrastructure. These are the impacts of the acid rain on environment. So here we can discuss briefly effects of acid rain. How can acid rain affect our environment? First one is the soil and water pollution. Acid rain can leach metals and other toxic substances from the soil into the groundwater and streams, leading to the pollution. Next one is the damage to vegetation and wildlife. Acid rain can harm plants and trees by altering the chemical composition of soil and water, can also kill fishes. Then third one effect of acid rain is the corrosion of building and infrastructure. Acid rain can cause corrosion of metal surfaces, including historic buildings, bridges, and other infrastructures, and leading to the damage and degradation over time. It is the third main effect of acid rain. Next is the acidification of lakes and streams. By the acid rain, the rainwater comes into the lakes and streams and can cause the acidification of lakes and stream water, and also their pH is decreased, and it's also harmful for the inhabitants that can live in these streams. Next one is the human health effects. How acid rain affects the human health? The main effect of the acid rain on a human health is the respiratory problems, that is due to the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emission. So next we will discuss how we can prevent from the acid rain. There are several measures that can be taken to prevent or reduce the formation of acid rain. First one is the reduction of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emission. In the first one slide, we can discuss that the main source of acid rain are these oxides. If we can reduce the formation of these oxides, we can easily prevent from the acid rain. Second one is the use of cleaner technologies. We can use the cleaner technologies that cannot emit such kind of oxide. The next one is the switching to renewable energy sources. We can use those sources that are renewable, and by this we cannot burn the unnecessary unwanted waste and can not cause emission of oxide. Next one is the encouraging energy efficiency. We can encourage energy efficiency product. Then last one is the improved agriculture practices. We can improve the agriculture practices. By improving agriculture practices, we can also reduce acid rain. And last one is the internal national corporation. By the corporation of the overall countries, we can also reduce it. Thanks for watching.